Good morning, everyone. For your English test today, what you basically need to do is follow these instructions. You are looking at the picture and describing a setting with a small alteration. So, in these instructions, it says write a few sentences of description. I'm asking for a little more than that. I'd like at least a couple of paragraphs um, and kind of substantial paragraphs, not just two or three sentences. Um, try to include these points. So include all of the senses. Um, it starts by saying Jake stumbled along the forest path. So we've got this character here, um, and it's not in the first person, but we're kind of experiencing the forest through him. So how is he interacting with it? How does the ground feel on his feet? What does the temperature feel like on his skin? How does he feel when he's looking up at all those things? How is he? So you've got to think there is the environment in itself. How does that look? How does that smell? But also this character's interaction with the environment. Um, is he making noise when he's walking on the ground? Is can he hear what can he hear? Um, how loud is it? How does that make him feel? Um, We haven't done setting descriptions for a while. We've done them many times in class, so I'm quite curious as to what you'll come up with here. Please do also be creative. You don't need to be limited just to the things you can see in the picture. This picture is just kind of an inspirational beginning. It's a starting point. You can be creative with that. You can add extra things. You can change things. You're not just trying to make a literal picture of it. Um, you're just using it as much as you like to help with your ideas. So be creative. Throw in a simile or a metaphor. Throw in some alliteration. But if you use a simile, let's make it a good one. Let's make it an original one I've never seen before. Let's not say as black as night or as cold as a refrigerator. Well, that one's not bad actually. I've never heard that before. But just try and make it something original with some adjectives. If it's as dark as night, it could be as dark as the blackest night without a sign of stars in the sky, for example. So try and use some adjectives or something to make those similar metaphors a little bit longer. Try and use some interesting adjectives. Um, Try and use one or two adjectives that maybe you haven't used before. Remember how much I enjoy verbs as well. Verbs, the choice of verbs can help to paint the picture. So think about which verbs you want to use, and try and create a tone for your forest. So is it kind of a warm, lively place where you feel very close to nature? Is it kind of gloomy, dark, scary? Should I feel nervous in this forest? And you want to try and keep that tone going all the way through. I don't want to see a gloomy, scary forest in the first paragraph and then a happy, cheerful, calm forest in the second paragraph. Think about the tone you want to make and try and keep it going throughout the whole of your description. Look forward to having a read of them when you're finished. Thank you very much.